back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Rahat. So I have been getting many requests on how to straighten your hair or how to do or groom your hair. Like right now my hair looks something like this. I just washed them and blow dried them, so they are not in its best condition right now. So many of you all don't understand how to straighten your hair so that they last very long and they keep straight like for a longest time. So currently I'm using this straightener right here. This is by Philips. This is Philips Miss Fresher Straight. Actually this is a very old straightener of mine, and ever since I bought this one I did not go back to anything else. Earlier to this one I was using Vega's straightener, and I did not really like that one, but ever since I bought this one I just keep using this one, and I am really planning on getting a new one. So as soon as I get that I would definitely share with you guys. And yeah, I know I'm gonna get many comments, like negative comments, like इसके बाल तो पहले से straight हैं, ये क्या video है and stuff. So let me tell you that I am gonna show you the technique and not something which is not for like straight hair girls. And we do straighten our hair, like even if I have straight hair, I do this ritual, I do this thing to make my hair more presentable, more manageable. And if you have curly hair and no, unmanageable hair basically, so you should be following all these steps which I'm gonna teach you right now. So before I start, I like to use a serum or a hair heat protector actually. So this is a kind of hair protector, heat protector to use. So I have bought this recently, the L'Oreal Extraordinary Oil, and I just love this stuff so much that I keep using it every time. And I just like to take like 2 pumps of it, not too much, and I just rub it between my hands and I just go over all of my hair like so, and thoroughly like that. And I don't know if you could see my hair length, they are growing still. I had such long hair back in the days, but due to something, I mean, I just cut them off, and then probably they are growing very slow. All girls story, once we cut our hair we regret later. And then I will just comb my hair so that there are no tangles or anything, and they are just tangle free. I'm so sure that I'm gonna get so many negative comments on this one, because I have got straight hair and people tend to criticize, I don't know for what reason. And yeah, let me tell you, you will need like 2 clutchers like this, any clutchers you have. So I just like to part my hair from here, like from my brows, you can see I will just part them like so, and I will just make a bun, a small bun right here, and I will just secure it with a clutcher which I showed you just now. And then what I'll do is I will go like again I'll part these hair in 2 sections like so. You have to do these steps to get that very nice ironed hair, and you shouldn't be actually doing it like SA, and that will not give you the most beautiful ironed effect. So you should be always dividing your hair somewhat like this, and I like the hairstyle though. And then what I like to do is I will just part these in 2 sections like so, and the section in front I will just twist it and take it over here, and then I will take the another clutcher and just secure it like so. Now these are the hair which I am supposed to work on, so I will start working on these now. Also take a comb like which is very small, which has small bristles like this, and what I'll do is I will part another like 2 layers in this one, and then I'll grab my straightener and I'll start from here, and I'll make sure that I just grab the hair with my comb right here, and this is how you're supposed to do it. I just go twice or thrice, but if you have curly hair, you should definitely do this step for like 5 to 6 times. And then I will just take these hair now and go like so. Can you see? Can you see the shine and the texture of my hair now? See, you have any iron and you can just achieve this look if you have a good technique basically. So this is how I like to straighten my hair, and I will just show you now on my other hair. We'll just untie this and take a section from this, and then I will tie this again, and I will just take that section and just start like I. Alright, so my down part is done. Now you could see my hair is more naturally shinier and more like sleek. And if you have curly hair, like curlier than mine, or very curly hair, so as you saw, I took like this much of section, but take your time. If you want that sleek look, just take like only this much of strand and do it like in sections, then only you will achieve that sleek look. So yeah, if you have curly hair, just go with the smaller strands. Now what I'll do is I'll just untie this one, and I will just take all of these hair at the back, and I will just do a section of these hair now like so, and I will just tie one of these again, and I will start working on these now. You could see the hair which is behind, it won't touch it like, and we'll just comb these perfectly, and then I will start from here. Just take a strand and take the another clip and just push it back, and this is what am I gonna work on. So I will just take my straightener now and start like straightening this. They are done, what I like to do is I just like to go like over here with this straightener one more time, only on the upper parts like so, so that there are no like up and down. Then after I'm done, I will just take my serum one more time and just take like 2 pumps again, and just rub it on my hand, and I'll just go over. and then you can just style them as per your requirement or your likings, and that is how I do it. Like, I like to do the side partition, and that's all. I don't do much with my hair, and I don't experiment with it. So yeah, just let me know how did you like this video, you guys. I just wanted to share my experience and my basic routine to get that sleek straight hair. And if you have any other questions and any other query, you can just comment down below anytime. And yeah, just let me know in comments down below how did you like this one. I will see you in my next one super soon. Till then, take care. Bye guys.